Welcome! In this video, we are going to present you our latest solution developed for Vivo Exynos devices. We are going to show the process of repairing the damaged IMEI number of the device on a Vivo Exynos phone. As we can see, the IMEI numbers are damaged. And to repair them, we will connect the phone in EUB mode using test points, the same way that Samsung devices are connected in EUB mode. During the identify procedure, we will select our model from the list. And then, we will see every available procedure. We will click on IMEI repair and enter the desired IMEI numbers. As we can see, the procedure finished successfully. And we will now reboot the phone. And as we can see, the IMEI numbers were repaired successfully. Thank you.